In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Skrill with your Shopify store in Pakistan. It's a straightforward process that can enhance your store's payment flexibility, providing your customers with more options when they're ready to make a purchase. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process and get everything set up. First, you'll want to head over to the Skrill website. Creating an account with Skrill is quite simple. Just click on the Register button. During registration, make sure to select Pakistan as your country. This is crucial because you want to ensure that all the geographical settings align with your currency and banking options, allowing for smoother transactions. As part of the registration, you'll also need to enter your bank details. Be thorough in filling in these details as they are vital for transferring funds and ensuring everything works seamlessly when payments start rolling in. Once you've completed the registration with Skrill and everything's in place, the next step is to turn your attention to your Shopify account. Log into Shopify and navigate your way to the Settings section, which you can find in the bottom left-hand corner of the dashboard. Once you're in the Settings menu, proceed to the Payments section. This is where all your payment options and settings are located, and where you'll add Skrill as a payment method. In the Payments section, look for the option to add a payment method. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can search for Skrill among the available payment providers. Once you find Skrill, click on it in the search results. This action will take you to the installation page. Here, you'll see the option to install Skrill as your payment gateway, and upon clicking on Install, you'll be prompted to log in to your Skrill account. Ready your Skrill login credentials. You'll need these to integrate Skrill with Shopify effectively. Log in using the same email and password you used when registering your Skrill account. After successfully logging in, cross-check everything to ensure the integration was carried out correctly. Having all the systems linked properly is vital for a seamless payment gateway operation on your Shopify store. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to integrating Skrill into your Shopify account, tailored for users in Pakistan. With Skrill now set up, your store can offer customers more payment flexibility, thus contributing to enhanced customer satisfaction and potentially boosting your sales. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, feel free to subscribe for more great content like this.